Hey, I hope you are well and doing good. And in this video, going to start a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about DSA using C language. And in this video, we will learn introduction of the data structure, introduction part of data structure. Basically, that what is data structure and what is the operations of data structure and types of data structure. First of all, we will know about the data structure. What is data structure? Data structure is named that is integrate itself to manage the data and organize the data in the memory. And there are many ways to organize the data and manage the data in the memory. And we have already familiar with the array, like as array. Also, array is a data structure that is manage the data in the memory. Like as we are already know that this is the array and memory representation in array, that is the or that's and in the memory the array 1 2 3 4 5 6, the array has been arranged and manage and organize the data in the memory. That is the from we see that this is the organized data in the increasing order. That is the data structure where we can manage the data in the memory. Right now we will see the types of data structure. Types of data structure, basically there is a two types of data structure. There is a two types of data structure. First one is a primitive data structure. Primitive data structure. And second one is a non-primitive data structure. Second one is the non-primitive data structure. And primitive data structure we have already known int, float, char and pointer. In the next video we will discuss about the primitive data structure. Basically here is a brief introduction about the all data structure types, and that is the primitive data structure where we will discuss int, float, char and pointer. And in the non-primitive data structure we have seen like as array, linked list, right, queue, stack, tree and graph. This is the non-primitive data structure. In the non-primitive data structure there is a two types. First one is a linear data structure. Linear data structure. And the second is a non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure. First of all, we will know what is the linear data structure and the non-linear data structure. In the linear data structure, all the data has been arranged in the sequence. Like I say array. In the memory, all the data has been arranged in the sequential in the sequential order. Here in the array we cannot manage the data like as here is a 1, head 2, head 5, head 6. No, that is no. In the linear data structure we can always manage the data in the sequence order. Means in the linear data structure, traveling is always there in a sequential order. Like as a, we can take an example of array. First example of array, there is a size has been fixed here and size, and we can always manage the data in the sequential order like as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? All the data has been arranged in the sequential order. And second one is we can say linked list. Here there is a 2 nodes in this. In linked list there is a node and address part of the node. That's, and the first one is a pointing head, and suppose the first one is a data, there is a node, and in linked list first one is for the data, and the second was the address of the next node. address address Although there is types of linked list, we will discuss in another video. Here it will 200, and here is 300, and here 4, and here is 0. Means the travelings of in the linked list, there is a traversal is sequential. We cannot go from the here. We can also which travels from the first node, then second node, then third node. Means the travels in the linked list is the in sequential order. Then it is also an example of the linear data structure. And third one is we can take a stack. Suppose that there is a stack of an integer type. In the stack, suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is a pick and here is a pop and pick. We'll discuss in detail when it's come. In the stack, we can insert our data in the sequential order and also pop with data in the from the top, and we can insert from the top. Means always in the stack, deletion and insertion is always in a sequence order. So that is that it will be a linear data structure, right? And also we can take a stack, and third one is a queue. There is a queue, means we can insert a data and delete the data in the sequence order. Here suppose that 1 is inserted, 2 is inserted, 4, 5, 6. Means we'll discuss in the detail, but just for example, what is the linear data structure and types of the linear data structure. Then in a sequence order, we can also always it will be go in a sequence. That is the sequence order, right? Means we can say there is a 4 types of linear data structure. First one is a array, second is a linked list, and third one is a queue, and fourth one is a stack, right? And now non-linear data structure means non-linear data structure means the traveling is not in a sequential order like as a tree. Suppose there is a tree, there is a tree, suppose it anything it may be. There is a travels but not in a sequence order. We can travels from the here and we can also travels from the here. We can travels from the here and we can always travel means traversing is not in a sequence order, so it is a non-linear data structure, right? And also we can take a graph. A graph, suppose that here is a Patna and the second one is a Shivan, and here is a suppose that Delhi, and here is a Greater Noida, right? Means we can travels Patna to Delhi, right? Siwan to Greater Noida, and Patna to Siwan, and Siwan to Patna, and Patna to Greater Noida. Means that is the examples of graph. Means we can travels from the Patna to Delhi and Patna to Greater Noida, Patna to Siwan. Means a non-linear data structure, right? Then we can say the types of linear non-linear data structure is tree, and second is a graph, right? The types of the non-linear data structure, and also linear data structure and non-linear data structure is defined in two ways. First one is dynamically we can use where size is not fixed, and another is static. Second is first one is we can say statically, and the second is dynamically. We can discuss in the another video. Just for a brief explanation, statics and dynamically. In statics, size has been fixed, and in dynamically, size has been not fixed. Suppose that if we will take an example of array, then in the array, in statically, size has been fixed, but when we implement dynamically like as a linked list, then that time the size of linked list is not fixed. Also linked list is like as a array, always like as array, but in the array size is fixed, and but in linked list size is not fixed. Then we can see linear data structure and non-linear data structure statically and dynamically, both in the pre- uh, next video, right? And basic operations of the data structure. What should be basic operations of the data structure? Now if we are going to learn data structure, then the implementation, where we will implement the data structure, right? Then first major operation should be searching and second one is a deletion operation, deletion operation, and third one is a insertion operation. Fourth में will be updation operation, and also sorting the data. It is the major implementations and operations of the data, right? In this video we will see introduction of DSA, types of the DSA, and operations, basic operations of the data structure. In the next video we will see non-primitive data type in the detail. Now, thank you.